Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that. After that you can see first link asus.com is officially website. So just click on it. After that click on support and then click on driver and manual. Then type just model number. Select all driver, all type of versions, driver installations process same. Then click on driver and tool. Now this is your model number of, and if you change to, you can just click to another model and select it. Scroll down. So first we can see the networking, show more. So networking in the wireless LANs means this is a Wi-Fi driver. So click to download. After you can see it is start downloading, just single click to open. Then click yes, then okay, next, I agree, agreement, then next, install. Then restart your system.